how to send money to bank account from Revolut. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can send money from Revolut. So for this, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So what you have to do is, first thing, you have to go and log in into your Revolut account, and after you're logged in, you have to go and tap on the send icon located in the top of your screen. After that, you'll have to select if you want to transfer money to other Revolut user or traditional bank. So select either one of it. After that, you will be directed to this page where you have to choose an amount that you want to send and click the send to confirm the transaction. If you want to make a bank transfer, then choose bank account and add the recipient details. After you've done that, now you've moved your funds using your Revolut. So in that way, you can transfer funds from Revolut to bank account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.